Yeah. Come with the kit, it bolts right on. There's a little bolt, you know. You don't even have to take this off. You just take that bolt off, put this on there, and bolt it back. The horn, I mounted it right here. And the module is right in the back of this. It's where everything plugs in. Your left and right, you know, wires plugs into that module here. That module plugs in right here for power. But yeah, I've seen people, they took the whole thing off. You don't have to take it off because you'll have to cut this and you'll have to get another one. When I did mine, I took this middle gauge off. I ran my wires behind there past the duct and the module. I zip tied it right under behind this one, this display, you know. Ran all my wires to it, and the wires for the license plate, I ran it down. I took this one off, ran it down, and just take this bottom piece off, ran it underneath. Yep, it's just plug and play. And run the wire right here. It is coming up, kind of right here by the gas tank, and comes up. And I ran it. It comes to here, right here, and you. It's like a T, I think, and then you plug those in there. It's all plug and play though. I mounted my horn right there. You guys probably seen it. Just runs into the module, back to the module, and plug in. Yep, that's it. Alright. Look at that, I have no coolant. What the hell? And this is the product I use, WD Electronics. So if you have a side-by-side, check them out. They're pretty good. Yeah. On the LED strip. I just took this off, I mounted it there. There's a place where you could mount it down here, but I didn't want it down there. Just mount it here. Yep. I like it. And it shows, you know, in there. Because this is already built in there. That's the running lights. They're on when you have your lights off, you know. Yep. Pretty sick. I don't know if I showed that. Back there. These are not even glued on or bolted on. You just adjust your lights and it pinches it on there. There's a little lip. I had them on the bottom here, but I moved them up here. But yep, pretty sick, man. Shut her down.